Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the side button settings on your Samsung One UI 8 version. By default, in the latest One UI 8, when you press the side button, it will launch the Gemini Google Assistant. So long press the side key on your Samsung One UI 8. Now you can see launch the Gemini on the latest One UI 8 version. So if you want to change this side button settings or side button function to power menu, follow this tutorial. Open the app drawer on your Samsung. Tap the settings app. And now scroll down up to the advanced feature, or you can search here for the side key. Scroll down. Now tap on advanced feature on your device. Here you can find the side button option on your latest Samsung device or any other Samsung phone. So tap on it. Now you can find the two options, double press or long press, single press. So tap on the long press. Here you can see set the digital assistant Gemini. So now select the Bixby if you want to launch the Bixby, or select the power off menu to show the power menu. Now whenever you long press the side button, it will launch the power menu. So we long press it and you can see the power menu, restart button, power off button, emergency call, medical info. Also you can see the side button setting, just tap on it to directly go to the side button settings on your Samsung One UI 8 version. Also double press, you can see by default when you double press it will open the camera on your device. So if you want to change it, tap on it and you can find the list of different options to quickly access by double tap the side button on your device, like launch Samsung wallet, torch, magnifier, voice recording, Samsung notes, application. You can also access application. Let's see with example, like we open the Facebook application. When we double press the side button, so when we double press it, it will open the Facebook application on my device. So very helpful feature, single press and double press on your side button settings on the latest Samsung One UI 8 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.